Happy day, my dear kids. Hope you all understood the concept of division. Today we are going to see estimate and divide. Today we are going to see division, estimate and then divide. Already we have done how to do division. As we have done in multiplication, estimate and then multiply. As same we are going to do here. First we are going to do estimation, then we are going to divide and find the answer. Estimate. What numbers are multiples of 9? Hope you all know 9th table. Let me start with 9th table. To find the number before and after 3604, we will get the answer which is very close to this number. Say multiplication table. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. So we have to say multiplication table for thousands place. Related to thousands place, we have to say multiplication table of 9. So 4 times 36, you may call it as 3600. And 5 times 45, 9 fives are 45. So 4500. To reach thousands place, we are saying this as 4500 and this is as 3600. I repeat again, 9 fours are 36 and 9 fives are 45. To reach the thousands place, we have to multiply this 9 with 400. 9 into 400, 9 into 500. From 3600 and 4500, which is very nearer to 3604. 3600 is nearer to this value. So 3604 is nearer to 3600 than 4500 than to 4500. 3600 divided by 9, you will get the answer as 400. Let we do normal division method. See here, we have to consider the first number. Is 3 is greater than 9? No. So we have to consider 2-digit number. Now 36 is greater than 9? Yes. So you have to say table 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36. Now subtract these two values. 36 minus 36, 0. Next, bring down 0. 9 is smaller than 0. So say the table as 9 zeros are 0. 9 zeros are 0. To get the answer as 0, you have to multiply with 0 value. 9 zeros are 0. So subtract these two again. 0 minus 0, 0. Now next bring down 4. Again 4 is smaller than 9. So you cannot continue with 9 ones are 9. So you have to go back before 1. 9 zeros are 0. If the given number, we are bringing down the number, right? That number is greater than 9 means we can start from 9 ones are 9. Here 4 is smaller than 9. So we cannot use multiplication table from 9 ones are 9. So you have to choose 0 only. 0 nines are 0. So 4 minus 0, 4. We don't have any other number after this, so we have to stop up to this. So this is the remainder. and quotient is 400. So your answer is 400. So you got the answer using normal multiplication as 400 4. 400 are 4. So 400 estimated value 400 is nearer to normal division value. 400 are 4. 400 remaining 4. So these two are very nearest to each other. So our answer is right. Let me see next sum. 3120 divided by 8. Now we have to do estimation, right? We have to get the nearest value either before this number or after this number. 3000 முன்னாடி இருக்கிற நம்பர் கிடைக்கணும் 8th டேபிள் சொல்லும்போது இல்ல பின்னாடி இருக்கிற நம்பர் கிடைக்கணும். So use 8th table. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So it crosses 31. So 8 3s are and 8 4s are should be used. Okay. But here thousands place is there. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So to reach the 1000 value, you have to include 2 more zeros with the multiplication. So 8 into 300 is 2400. As same as 8 into 400 is 3200. From these two, which is nearer to 3120? Compared to 2400 and 3120, 2400 is far away from 3120. 3120 is nearest to 3200. So you have to put here as 3200 only. This is nearest to 3120. Now by dividing this value with 8, you will get the answer as 400. Because if you multiply 8 into 400, you will get the answer as 3200. So answer is 400. This is the estimated value. Let me do normal division. See here, first number 3, you have to take single digit first. First number 3 is smaller than 8. So you have to take 2 digit number. Say 8th table. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 3s are 24. Then subtract this value. If you here 1, here 4, 31 minus 24, you will get the answer as 11 minus 4 is 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. Now bring down 2. Now say 8th table. 9 8s are 72 or 8 9s are 72. Subtract these two values. 72 minus 72, 0. Now bring down next to 0. 0 is smaller than 8, so you have to consider 0 only. 8 zeros are 0. So you will get the answer by subtracting it. We will get 0 minus 0 is 0. So by using normal division method, you will get the answer as 390. 390 is nearest to 400. So our calculation part is right. Estimated value is nearest to normal division method. This is your classwork part. You have to write date and CW. Then write the heading as estimate questions. Then write the page number at the top right corner of the page. Leave one line, then write the first problem. 3580 is divided by 7. Here you have to do estimation first. Write the answer as ANS and write the heading as estimate. Okay, then write 3580 divided by 7 is approximately equal to dash divided by 7. You have to find approximate value using 7th table. Let me say 7th table. Up to what you have to stop? Let me say 7th table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35. So 5 times 7 fives are 35. You get 7 fives are 35. 7 fives are 35. But here we have thousands place, all up to thousands place. This is in thousands place. So to convert 35 into thousands place, you have to multiply with 500. 7 into 500, you will get the answer as 3500. Then you have 3580. Here 3500. We have to find the we found the previous value of 3580. We have to find after value also. So 7 into 600. 7 into 600 is equal to 4200. Okay, from these two, which is nearest to 3580? Here 3500, here 4200. 3500 is nearest to 3580. Obviously we can find it easily. This is nearest to 3580. So you have to write here as 3580. If you divide 3580 by 7, you will get the answer as 500, because if you multiply these two values, then only you will get 3500. So we have the value of 3507, then remaining, this is the quotient. This is the question part. So if you divide this value by 7, you will get the answer as 500. Let me do normal division. 3580, here 7. Do normal division. 3, consider single digit number. 3 is smaller than 7, so you cannot divide 3 by 7, so you have to consider two numbers. 35. Now say 7th table. How many times you will get 35 by using 7th table? 5 times. 7 5s are 35. Subtract these two values. 35 minus 35 is 0. Now bring down 8. How many times you will get 8 by using 7th table? You cannot get 8, so you will use 7th table. 7 ones are 7. If you say 7 twos are, it will be 14. 14 is greater than 8, so you cannot take 7 twos are. You have to consider 7 ones are only. Am I clear to you? If you say 7 ones are 7, 7 is smaller than 8. If you say 7 twos are 14, 14 is greater than 8. You cannot write 14 because you cannot subtract 14 from 8. So you have to consider 7 ones are 7 only. Always the number should be equal to the above number or less than the above number. So subtract these two. 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Now bring down this 0. Again, this 10 is greater than 7. So you can say some table. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 14 is greater than 10. So you should not take 7 twos are. You have to consider 7 ones are only. 7 ones are 7. Now subtract these two values. 10 minus 7 is 3. Okay. So you got the remainder. After the 0, we don't have any number. So after subtraction, we got the final remainder as 3 and quotient as 511. So by normal division method, 3580 divided by 7 is equal to 511, remainder 3. Therefore, estimated value 500 is nearest to 511. Therefore, our calculation part is right.